Question number 36 is a problem on diodes. In the circuit shown, the batteries are identical and all have negligible internal resistance. Okay, there's a battery, there are two resistors, there are two diodes connected. All of the resistors have same resistance. Diodes have zero resistance when conducting and infinite resistance when not conducting. Okay, in which circuit is the current in the battery greatest? When is the current greatest? Now what happens? Let us say there's a current I1 passing over here. Same resistance, right? So let us say this is I1 and this is I1. So this acts like a short circuit, right? So the diode acts like a short, and as a result of it, all the current will come over here. No resistance. So this will be 2 times I1. Okay. Now let us look at this here. A current I1 passes over here. Now what will happen? The same current will pass like this over here. Okay. There is no extra current. So therefore, this will just be I1 only. Okay. So definitely, this has a larger current. This has a lesser current. Let us see the rest two circuits also, and then decide which one give you more current. Okay. The question is in which of these circuits the current will be more inside the circuit, right? Now let us look at the next one. In the next one, what happens? Current is passing like this. So here current I1 passes over here, but here what happens? The current comes over here, but this is a reverse bias there. So therefore the current here is 0. Okay, so only this current emerges out of it. So I1 is the current that passes through this. So it seems that A should be your right answer. Let us see. So now here what happens? The current comes here, positive terminal. So this current comes over here, which is I1. Okay. Now when the current comes here, what happens? This is a reverse bias over here. So therefore current here is 0. The total current entering the negative terminal will now be equal to 1 I1. Thus, which is the right answer? As suggested, A should be the right answer. Because this has 2 I1 as the current passing through it. The rest of them all have only I1 as the current passing through it. Which has the greatest current? A.